along with me, and the butterflies and bees. We can wander through the forest and do so as we please. Come along with me to a cliff under a tree, where we can gaze upon the water as an everlasting dream. All of my collections, I'll share them all with you. Maybe by next summer we won't have changed our tune. We'll still want to be with the butterflies and bees, making up new numbers and living so merrily. All of my collections, I'll share them all with you. I'll be here for you always, and always be with you. Come along with me. And
Wala, unsa dito tong kaon day?
Kapira man to ninyo?
Kapira dito?
Yes, wala man to yung rice. Naloko ko.
Wala dito rice di ay.
Yes!
Sige, pag una-una mo di asa ta mga on.
Proper. Mana may kaon.
Ganda?
Oh, si Pais ganda. Dala si Pais. Chang chow.
Chong.
Turtles!
Huh?
Tignan tubig.
Ano ya daw? Para niya daw nindot.
Ayaw, ara.
Dua sa ni.
Nagkaon siya din yung siya na lami ang kwantoy, lami ang
Ayaw.
Dua amoy ba?
Ari ka diri nga di makamo ari. Tikwa ka des plastic.
Jojo ni Roger.
Nag-unboxing na mo dara unboxing sige na be.
Ayaw.
Sige na ba unboxing?
Mga pila naman eh.